Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we'll look at other features of the Reddit Ads platform, which is going to be AI copywriter, ad inspiration, and post library. So let's have a look at these. So once you're on the platform, when you go to the left panel, under creative section, you will find these three options. So the first is AI copywriter. AI copywriter is primarily an AI tool created by Reddit, which helps you to generate ad copies. So you can give the specifics about your business, your product and services, and it can generate those ad copies, which you can then use in your campaigns. So let's have a look at this. So the first is we can give here the product description. So we can give the description over here in this particular manner, wherein we can give the information. And then we can give some additional information. Call to action will be shop now. Campaign objective is, let's say, conversions, interest groups, people who are interested in digital marketing. Then you can, the prompt which we are trying to give. So in that, you can give some specifics, like the tone of voice of the prompt should be casual, neutral, or formal. So we can say it can be casual, okay, serious or funny. We can say it can be, let's say, neutral, respectful, enthusiastic. We can also say it can be urgent. So these are all the specifics which we have given now. Okay, keeping these five specific things which we have informed over here regarding the tone of the voice, it is going to generate the headlines. So now you can see it has generated the headlines. Level up your career with our online course on digital marketing. Shop now. Master digital marketing skills. Start your journey today. Shop now. So like this, it has given us all the suggestions now, which you can simply copy from here and start using it in your campaigns. If you want to refine this, make it a little bit more better, you can give those suggestions as well. So now if I give this suggestion, it is going to regenerate with keeping those suggestions in consideration. Level up your career with our online course on paid ads. Shop now. Master paid ad skills. Start your journey today. Shop now. So now you can see this is how you can use the AI copywriter to get some ad copies created with the help of the AI tool built out by Reddit. That's the first one. The second one is ad inspiration. So ad inspiration is primarily, it's a database of different types of ads which are available. Okay, so now all you can do is you can search by keywords, you can search by industries, okay, or budgets, formats, and look at other ads which are already running in your industry, in your sector, and get inspiration from there, understand what actually works, and try to build your ads similar to those, okay, and understanding the kind of choice of sentences, choice of words used in them. So let's say I'm looking for ads related to digital marketing. So now I can see these are the kind of ads which are running. Apply today for a brand new beginning. Okay. Unlock the power of inbound marketing. You can, if you want, you can also view the details of this ad. In this particular section. So you can see the details of the ad over here as well. So this is how we can make use of this particular section, which is ad inspiration, which gives us ideas about other live ads which are already working related to our business, our industry. The third one is going to be post library, which is primarily a database where you can keep all your images, your ad creatives, your video ads. They can stay here primarily, okay, and which you can have a look at. You can add new as well from here. If you want to add new post, okay, which can be images, videos, carousel, freeform, all those can be added here for further usage. If you're planning to build a new campaign going forward and you have a bulk of images which you want to image ads or video ads which you want to use, first you can upload them here and then you start building out that campaign where you can quickly attach them. So this is how you can use post library. I hope this makes sense. You understand these three features on the platform and can practically use it for your business and for your clients.